people of all nations and languages, listen to the king's command. When you hear the sound of the horn, flute, zither, lyre, harp, pipes,
What's happening?
This is where we make our decision.
bow to the ground to worship King Nebuchadnezzar's gold statue.
My legs are shaking, Shadrach. What will happen to us?
Remember earlier when you thought you couldn't do this? And I said God would be with us when the time came?
Yes,
He is with us.
yes. God strengthens me even now.
Anyone who refuses to obey will immediately be thrown into a blazing furnace.
Gizmo!
Then we stand together?
Yes.
Okay, I'm bowing out.
Guys, what are you doing?
Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you do not serve my gods or worship the gold image which I have set up? I will give you one more chance to bow down and worship the image which I have made. If you refuse, you will be cast immediately into the middle of a blazing furnace. And who is the god who will deliver you from my hands?
Nebuchadnezzar, we have no need to answer you in this matter.
Our God, whom we serve, is able to deliver us from the burning fiery furnace.
And he will deliver us from your hand, O king.
But even if he does not, we want to make it clear to you, your majesty, that we will never serve your gods or worship the gold statue you have set up.
Then heat the furnace to 7 times its usual temperature! Take them, now!
Come on!
Tie them up!
I told them all along, but they refused to listen. You took the words right out of my mouth.
We've got to get down there and stop this!
I have given you every chance, but your time has run out! Cast them into the furnace!
We're too late. They're gone. The guards were burned up in the flames.
You are right, Hapsu. This is what happens when you refuse to obey the king.
Did we not cast 3 men bound into the midst of the fire? Look, I see 4 men, unbound, walking around in the fire unharmed. And the 4th looks like a god. Servants of the Most High God, come out and come here!
No hair on their head was singed.
And their clothing is not scorched.
They don't even smell of smoke.
Blessed be the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who sent his angel and delivered his servants who trusted in him. They defied my command. Anything against their God. Anyone who does will be dealt with severely.
Oh, would you be quiet?
Truly, there is no other God who can rescue like this.